دستورنا القرآن وديننا الإسلام أركانه الجليلة دعائم الفضيلة وهي الشهادتان كعيسى
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى
والصوم
وبركاته.
والصلاة وحج والزكاة.
Our lesson is about
Carries the Quran
Our lesson is about to
with
and
Islam.
conversation Wadasheekeysiga steady topic. Tell me the meaning of practice. Practice is a talking between two persons. Tell me sheeg the meaning معناها of practice Wadasheekeysiga. Practice Wadasheekeysiga is a talking waa hadal and Wadasheekeysi between udhaxeeya two persons. Tell me the meaning of practice. Practice is a talking between two persons. Please, can you tell me the two main accents of English? What are they? They are two main accents of English, and they are British accent and American accent. Please, fadlan, can you tell me ma sheegi kartaa the two main accents laba lahjad ugu muhiimsan of Englishsiga? They are waxay kala yihiin two main accents laba lahjad of Englishsigu, and they are waxayna kala yihiin British accent lahjada Britishka and American accent iyo lahjada Americanka. Which one midkeebaad do you like jeceshahay? I like waxaan jecelahay the American accent lahjada Americanka. Which one do you like? I like the American accent. Which one do you like? I like American accent. Why do you prefer that? Because American accent is a modern accent and British accent is an old accent. Why do you prefer that? maxaa taa u doorbiday? Because maxaa yeelay American accent lahjada Americanku is modern accent waa lahjad cusub, and British accent lahjada Britishkana is an old accent waa lahjad gabowday. Modern accent and British accent is an old accent. Why do you prefer that? maxaa taa